Okay guys, it's the next day. So as you can see, my curls or my twists are juicy. That's from the pre-poo. I left this in all night and slept with the cap on and the scarf on. And yeah, it's nice and juicy. So it's about time to wash it out. What I did already, I don't know if I can show you guys this already, but I'm using this Shea Moisture. And also what I did was I took 2 of those packets of the Mayo and the Shea Moisture conditioner, deep conditioners, and I put them in here. I'm still debating if I'm gonna wash my hair with these twists in. I feel like I may. I'm gonna try it out. Okay. Filming and washing is just so hard. So you guys, all I'm doing right now is I'm just, I put my shampoo in, I'm licking my shampoo in with the twist in still. I may take the twist off for my second wash just so I can make sure that I'm really getting all the oil. Second wash, I took the twist out. I feel like my hair just instantly gets nappy. Why is it like that? You know, please tell me why it's nappy. Wow. Okay, so what I did was I separated my hair into 4 sections and I just applied the deep conditioner and I'm just detangling. It's gonna take 50 days and 50 nights. This is my last section. So I ended up using all 3 packets. I had to get out the shower and put more, or squeeze the last one. That's the cup. All 3. I put this on my hair at 1:39, I think is when I finished. It says on the package to leave it on for 30 minutes. But we're just gonna leave it on until I see fit, okay? Because this shit is dry. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour since this has been in my hair. Or since I've been finished. It's 2:47. So I'm about to go ahead and rinse this out in the sink because I done got dressed. So my hair feels really nice. Look, it feels nice and it's all warm. It's conditioned, so I'm excited. Hopefully this works well for my hair. Okay, so this deep conditioner did the thing, okay? Because for my hair to not be as nappy as it usually is, right? This is good. This is good. So what I'm doing now is I just rinsed out only half. I'm gonna work in sections. And I rinsed out this side of my head still has the deep conditioner in it, but I'm just putting this Honey Hydrate Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to twist this side up. You know, I love my twists. And then we'll go rinse the other side out. But my hair is not as nappy. I'm in shock. Oh, and I did use a t-shirt to dry my hair. I didn't use, well, just put the brush in your eye, this towel. we did a little picking at the roots here, and what the hell else did I just do? Oh, do some bobby pins up here. So this is it. I'm not impressed, but it's gonna have to do. Okay, maybe I should do my little stinking edges. Yeah, maybe. But I don't see why. I don't know. Okay, so actually my hair looks pretty cute. This is what it looks like. It's fully dry at this point. This ring is stuck in my finger. It's really stuck. I didn't know it was this tight. I can't get it over my knuckle. Oh, put a little oil on it. Oops. My finger hurts. Look at the scars. Look at it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Get on my meat. Oh my God. Wow, this is crazy. Uh-oh. Ouch. Finally. Damn shit. So, my hair looks cute. I wasn't impressed earlier. I really wasn't. It looks pretty cute. Came out nice. I think I still stand by what I said though. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head on bed. Okay, so before I go to bed, I'm just gonna preserve these curls. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think I seen one girl and she just said all she does is like section her hair in 4 parts and ponytail holders, and she just puts her bonnet on. I don't really know how that helps. Maybe because it stops the hair from moving because of ponytail holders. I wish I remembered her Instagram name, but I don't. Oh my gosh, it's just too fucking much. I'm trying not to touch it too much, but it's just getting all fucking tangled. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my bonnet on. Like I said, good night.